Maisie's mission was contacted about a dog that was in a municipal shelter locally who had a broken leg, and she had pretty much just shut down in the shelter, and we were asked if we could take her on. We said yes. When we first got her in here, I wasn't 100% convinced that her leg was unsalvageable. But we repeated her x-rays, and I did see that in fact that it was broken to the point that we just couldn't save it. So we scheduled her amputation, and I really worried about her because I wasn't sure how she was going to take it. I mean, most dogs are pretty great about being on 3 legs, but something just nagged at me about her. And we came up here on a Sunday, and we performed her surgery, and she went home with our veterinary technician that night. And she came in Monday morning and was just a totally new dog. I shouldn't have worried at all. She is currently with one of our medical fosters, and we're still actually looking for a rescue group to take over her care. She's completely vetted. She has been a really, really great dog, and we were extremely just thrilled to be able to help her.